Hi guys, 𝗕𝗓𝗡𝗧𝗟𝗘 here from Audio Direct, and we've got this stunning Bentley in with us today. The car's got everything, but it doesn't have wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, so we'll take care of that for the customer. Our system fully integrates with the fiber optic system, so it goes directly through to the amplifier, so no drop off in the audio there whatsoever. Of course, it's fully wireless, both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and of course steering controls and everything work.
This is the future.
Audio Direct.
Evolution. This is the future.